your hardware journey has started, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It has just started actually.
Great. And how you came to know about our online classes?
Yeah, I think through I think there is a group. There must be a group somewhere on through WhatsApp.
Ha, ha,
I
ha, ha.
just saw an advert actually.
And from there you joined.
Then I joined the group. Yeah, then I joined the group. Then yeah.
You feel that your money will be getting lost in fraud. Some fraud will happen. You are
Yes.
losing your money. That thought came to you.
Yes, at first. Yeah, at first I was thinking like that because last time there is someone I think I enrolled in the certain school, but it started very well. But just some few days later, they stopped sending the lessons.
Okay.
So I thought maybe even this it would be like the same. And then they said no, you can still pay in installments. So I decided to pay first installment to see how the class will be going. Then if I see, then I pay the rest, and that's how I did it. And
Yeah.
later when I finished my balance after I saw that it was real.
Great, great, great. So yeah, in India we don't do like that. That we don't do like that.
Yeah, this is it's a 3-in-1. It's an OTR station,
Okay, gas station also
soldering
plus
gun,
RTA.
and the OCD separator.
Great, great, great. And what else?
LCD separator with hot
SMD?
gun, hot air gun,
Yes, with SMD
Yeah, and
plus
OTR gun.
multi. This also.
multi-tool.
Soldering station also. Soldering iron also is there. What else
Yes,
you
it's
got
there.
there?
Yeah, then I just recently bought the microscope. It is coming. I
Acha.
ordered one.
Okay, okay, okay.